To have a good quality of bread, what would you think how the fresh and soft bread should be made? How long does it take for the process? What are the ingredients that we need to add? What are the main machines that we need to use? Is it worth doing or not? Well, we are willing to show you what is the entire process for start bread breaking step by step to clarify your doubt.
Inside the factory, there are three main machines for this process, which are the dough mixer. There is only one dough mixer and the second machine is dough puffer. There are two dough puffers, and the last main machine is the oven. There are 4 ovens in this factory. There are 11 employees. They produce 4 to 5 times per day and 1 time. They can produce 200 units. We are going to show the entry process step by step.
We are gonna start with the first step by using dough mixer in order to mix many ingredients. First, put 2 or 3.5 cups of flour into dough mixer.
Add 11 grams of active dry yeast, 11 grams of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 4 cups of warm water, 2 cups of whole milk, and approximate 14 eggs. Then put 60 ml of vanilla extract and 60 grams of artificial butter flour. The machine will combine the ingredients in the dough and
Step 2. Add butter about 1.8 kg to dough mixer until well combined. Preparing to next step. It will make the dough smoother. So you can see the surface of dough. It looks smoother as we add. Step 3. While waiting for the complete bread dough, we are going to smear the butter on table to prepare for the next step. Moreover, it makes the flour stick while kneading flour.
Step 4. When the dough is elastic and smooth, it's getting to be done. If not, we need to add more butter and stir for 5 minutes. When it's ready, so we are going to put it out of the dough mixer by smearing the margarine on the flour surface. It's easy to put it out. Step 5. Remove the base dough from the dough mixer and transfer it to margarine surface on table. Using a skisser or a bench scraper, divide the dough in half. You can use a kitchen scale to ensure that the 2 pieces of dough are exactly even. Step 6. Continue kneading the base dough until it becomes smooth. Then put the stuff in its dough. Place the dough in its aluminum cup. For 1 aluminum tray, 25 cups can be placed as you can see from the video.
Step 7. Bring the aluminum trays, which dough is placed into dough puffer. Dough should rise for 45 minutes to an hour and a half, or until it is double inside at 37 to 40 degrees Celsius. Step 8. After getting done by dough puffer, place dough bread dough in the shelf to be ready for the heating by pressing inside the oven. Step 9. Press inside warm oven for 1.5 hours at 180 to 190 degrees Celsius. Close the door, set time to 1 hour and check on it. Depending on the weather and the humidity, sometimes it only takes an hour to rise, sometimes it takes 1.5 hours. A good indication that it has risen enough is if the dough has risen a little past the top of the pan, and when the color of bread turns to lightly brown color. Preheat the oven about 20 minutes before the bread dough will finish its rise.
Step 10. After when finished, it rise. Then take it out of the oven carefully, remove from the pan and place on the rack to cool completely. After that, spray the milk on the bread surface. Therefore, the bread will not be dry and it will be appetizing instead. Step 11. Pack the bread by its package. They use the plastic bag and clear adhesive tape. The smooth and fresh bread is ready to be served.
So the approximate time for the entire process is around 3 hours and 43 minutes to have the bread for the customers. And here is the estimated minutes of the step that we will like. Well, we hope this video will help you to better understand the stop bread breaking process. Have a nice day, guys. And special thanks to Mr. Thomas Bosma and Manishi Bang Bakery.